Hi guys, and welcome to Sarness English Quiz channel. This is a spelling video. You have 10 spelling questions and 5 seconds to answer each one. Choose the correct spelling. Question number 1. United States has been an independent country since 1776. And the answer was A. Memorize it. Question number 2. Why do models try to look so glamorous all the time? And the answer was C. Question number 3. If you're fighting for your rights, you've got to be persistent. And the answer was D. Question number 4. Is getting a new car every year really necessary? The answer was D, and the answer to that question is probably no. Question number 5. I'm meeting a colleague after work. The answer was A, of course. Question number 6. There's a lot of resistance to these new gun control laws. And fabulous, the answer was C, as you've probably selected. Question number 7. Funny people can't see the humorous side of things. What do you think about it? The answer is D. Question number 8. It's up to you, basically. And the correct answer was C. Question number 9. Are you booking separate rooms or sharing one? The answer was A. Question number 10, the last question. My sister is running a successful business. And the answer was D. How many of these spelling questions did you answer correctly? Share your score and comment and compete with others. This part really excites me every time. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe Sarness English Quiz.